Understanding variables is essential when it comes to programming. Variables can be seen as containers for storing data so that they can be reused and manipulated throughout the program. Let's take a look at a simple example so that we can see how variables work. We'll start by creating a variable called name and assigning it a value. For example, let's use my name. We can create the variable by typing name equals double quote Hafiz end double quote. This line of code tells Python to create a variable named name and assign it the value Hafiz. Now that we have our variable, we can use it in our program. Let's print a message using the name variable. We can do this by typing print hello name and exclamation mark. For now, don't worry about these plus symbols and let's run the code. It will display hello Hafiz under the cell. What's great about variables is that we can change their values at any point in our program. Let's say we want to change the name to Fiz. We can simply assign a new value to the name variable by typing name equals Fiz. Now, if we run the code again, it will print hello Fiz instead. And that's the basic essentials of variables in Python. Variables allow us to store and manipulate data so that we can make our program more dynamic. Variables are an essential tool in programming so that we can process information more effectively.